Hi everyone, today we're looking at a closed traverse on a height of collimation booking sheet. The closed traverse is where we start at, this is station 1, we survey, we take a reading back to our benchmark, we go around the building to the various stations, and then our last reading is back to the benchmark. That's called a closed traverse. Alright, we've got all our readings here for A, B, C, Ds all the way through. There's all our readings. So the first thing we do is we just label where our stations are. There we have it there. We start with our benchmark, station 1, then we've got our A, B, C through to M, then we finish off with our benchmark. Okay, then all we've got to do is put our readings in, our back sights and foresights. There we have our first 3 readings from here, 1, 2, 3. There we go, B and C. Then we put our, when we start again from our change station, we just start again with the back sight. Then we complete the rest of those readings from station 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 readings. There we have them. Then we just simply continue with that process. We put in our first reading from station 3, then we put in the other readings, then we go to our next station, put in our first reading, which is our back sight, and then we just complete them, putting the readings in until we get to our last reading, which is back to this benchmark. All right, then we do what we do with the height of collimation. We've got a benchmark of 100. So what we do, we add the 1.930 to the 100, and that gives us a height of collimation of 101.93. Now what happens, we then take our 1.870 from there, and that gives us a reading of 100.060. Then we take our 1.584 away from our 101.93, and that gives us a 100.346. Then we got to get a new height of collimation because we've had a change station. So from this, with this 100.346, we add on our first reading. Okay, and that gives us a total of 101.976. So when we have a change station, our last RL, we add on our back sight to that. Okay, then we just continue the process down until we come to our next change station. So our last reading is 100.366. We then add on our 1.840, and that becomes our new height of collimation. And then we take these readings away from that, 102.206 minus 1.604, and that's the answer we have there. And then we do the same with the next ones. And then again, on our last reading here, we then add on our first reading, our back sight from the next station, and that becomes our height of collimation, our new height of collimation, and we just continue the process. All right, then just to make sure that all our work is accurate and we haven't made any mistakes, we total our back sights and total our foresights. Then we just do our checks, total back sights minus total foresights. There we have it here, there, 7.24 minus 6.966 equals 0.274. And then we have our next check, which is our first RL minus the last RL. And then we have it there, and it's 0.274. And it doesn't matter whether it's a positive or a negative figure, they're the same. All right, just take care as you complete your booking sheets, and good luck.